HP EliteBook 840G4 laptop, Core i7 7th generation, 16GB RAM, 128GB SSD drive, Windows 10. Laptop has a display for your daily needs. This laptop is powered by processor, coupled with 16GB of RAM and has 128GB SSD and 1TB drive storage at this price point. As far as the graphics card is concerned, this notebook has graphics card to manage the graphical functions. To keep it alive, it has a battery and weights. Connectivity options. USB Type-C port allows you to connect latest devices to this laptop and share data at incredible speed. Two USB 3.1 Generation 1 ports let you plug in high-end HDDs and flash drives. One GAP port for compatibility with data projectors and monitors. Multi-format SD card reader allows you to access data stored on SD cards quickly. DisplayPort 1.2 for sharing screen space with large displays. HP EliteBook 840G4 laptop runs on Windows 10 OS. This HP notebook PC is available in a silver finish in HP. The HP EliteBook 840G4 laptop makes you ready to overcome any work challenge, no matter the place. It has an ultrathin design that gives portability a whole new meaning. In a thickness of 18.9mm, this HP notebook PC includes several full-size ports like DisplayPort, VGA, RJ45 and Enterprise docking. The HP laptop features a 14-inch HD screen that offers superior visuals and excellent readability for all your professional tasks. Thanks to the HP Long Life 3-cell 51Wh lithium-ion battery, you do not have to rush to the charging socket in the middle of the presentation. The HP EliteBook 840G4 is packed with enterprise-class features and comprehensive security to make the most of your business or work-related tasks. Armed with a 7th generation Intel dual-core processor, this HP laptop takes on even the most demanding tasks with streamlined efficiency. Furthermore, it has a 16GB DDR4 RAM module that speeds up demanding business applications and data without a hint of lag. This HP EliteBook packs a 512GB turbo drive PLC SSD that offers incredible read and write speeds. Since this SSD has no moving parts, it delivers a quieter performance. Available in a silver finish, the HP EliteBook 840G4 laptop is a perfect choice for people who prefer to work on the go, powerful performance. 7th generation, Intel dual-core processor with KB Lake architecture delivers a superior computing performance. 16GB. Dual SD-RAM provides seamless and lag-free multitasking while keeping the power consumption in check. 128GB solid-state drive allows the OS to boot up in seconds and offers blazing fast data transfers, and 1TB additional drive built-in. Intel HD 620 graphics card handles all graphics processing tasks with these HP long-life 3-cell 51Wh lithium-ion battery charges more quickly and offers extended uptime. Pre-installed Windows 10 Pro OS packs a multitude of innovative features that allow you to be creative and productive at the same time. Immersive multimedia experience. 14-inch, 1366 by 768 pixel display offers outstanding visuals for reading text, streaming videos and making presentations. Dual speakers, backed by Bang & Olufsen, provide an enhanced audio experience. HP Audio Boost balances clarity and loudness while increasing the bass for improved speech quality. 720-pixel webcam with integrated dual-array digital microphone gives your online collaboration the clarity and sharpness of a face-to-face meeting with colleagues. HP noise cancellation software eliminates the ambient noise, so your voice can be heard clearly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.